Welcome to a new era in farming with LL Plastic Farm Posts. These innovative posts are set to revolutionize the way we think about agricultural fencing. At LL Plastic, we're committed to providing sustainable, long-lasting solutions for farmers. Our 100% recycled plastic farm posts are designed to stand the test of time while supporting your agricultural needs. Here's a testimonial from one of our customers, Sarah from Derbyshire.
You want to be proud of your farm. You'll try and keep everything looking good and tidy, but all the time you're fighting the weather and particularly the water level in your land. All the fences are suddenly dropping down. They've rotted at grassroots level. We're forever patching up. Every year I buy more and more posts to hold up the existing ones. The rails are no better because the horses chew through them. So we've said enough is enough, let's do the job once and for all. So today our delivery of the plastic fencing came and we're just overwhelmed with it. It looks substantial and I know when I do it, this is the last time I will do it in my lifetime, and hopefully leave the farm in good shape for my children and grandchildren. The delivery was due at 7 a.m. in the morning, and he was here dead on 7 in the most beautiful lorry you can imagine. The driver so polite and helpful. It took us an hour to unload. There was no problem, no rushing. Everything went like clockwork. We can't rate it good enough. The driver, the ordering, everything went well from beginning to end. Okay, today we've got our first row of the new fencing in. I am very proud of it. Went in easy with the fence knocker on the back of the tractor. I tried to allow for some expansion gaps on the joints, and we think it looks sturdy and we're very proud of it. Thank you.
Ready to upgrade your farm with eco-friendly, maintenance-free fencing? Choose LL Plastic Farm Posts.